Mata, irong baba, hagawas palito ha, wala pitong sulod. So, gimbutang kitang Ginoo, gimplastar kitang Ginoo tungod, naging part naman kita. But before, diri kita kabahagi. Diri kita kaparte. Diri kita kaupod. And because we are not saved, nasin din ang Ginoo, we are no more strangers and foreigners, but what? Fellow citizens. With the saints, kaupod naton, and of the household, panimalay ang Ginoo simbahan, built upon the foundation of the apostles and prophets, Jesus Christ Himself being what? The chief cornerstone, in whom all the building what? Fitly framed together groweth unto the holy temple in the Lord. In verse 22, in whom ye also are what? Builded together for what? Habitation of God through the Spirit. Nahimo kita nga templohang Ginoo. Nahimo kita nga templohan barahan nga Espiritu. Nahimo kita nga templo kun hain the glory of God ma-shine upon us. But I want you to focus your eyes in verse 19. Nasin didi, now therefore ye are no more strangers and foreigners, but fellow citizens with the saints and of the household of God. Kung ato makikita nila, we are called now fellow citizen. Kung atong gyapon nila makikita, di kita gimplastar ang Ginoo. Hayalawas. Hasimbahan. Anong gimbuhat ang Ginoo? Fitly framed together. Gindukot. Diba? Anong purpose ng Ginoo? Kaya no gimbutang kaniya nga nasimbahan. Kaya no naging part kani nga local church to be what? Habitation of God through the Spirit. So allow me to introduce an akong mensahe this morning, being a member of the local church. Being a member of the local church. Naging kabahagi ka sa nga lokal nga simbahan. Why is it gimbutang ka man ang Ginoo hakadamo nga lugar kay nga ni